Starting and growing your own business can be an exciting and fulfilling journey. It's a chance to pursue your passions, create something unique, and have control over your own destiny. But it's important to approach it with careful planning and strategy. In this video, I'll share some key tips and insights on how to start and grow your own business. The first step in starting your own business is to identify your passion and area of expertise. What are you truly passionate about? What are you skilled at? Identifying your passion and expertise will give you a solid foundation to build your business upon. It's important to choose something you genuinely enjoy and are knowledgeable about, as this will fuel your motivation and drive. Once you've identified your passion and area of expertise, it's important to conduct thorough market research. Understand who your target audience is, what their needs are, and how you can provide a unique solution. This will help you identify your niche and differentiate yourself from competitors. Market research will also give you insights into industry trends, customer behaviors, and potential opportunities for growth. Next, it's time to create a solid business plan. A business plan is like a roadmap that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It should include a detailed analysis of your target market, your products or services, your marketing and sales strategies, and your financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will not only guide you in the early stages, but also serve as a tool to attract investors or secure loans for future growth. Once your business plan is in place, it's time to focus on funding. Starting a business requires capital, and there are several options available to entrepreneurs. You can tap into your own savings, reach out to friends and family for support, or consider applying for a business loan from financial institutions. Another option is to seek out investors who believe in your vision and are willing to provide the necessary funding in exchange for equity in your business. Whatever route you choose, make sure to carefully consider the financial implications and have a solid plan for repayment or return on investment. With funding secured, it's time to set up your business operations. This includes registering your business, obtaining any necessary licenses or permits, and setting up your physical or online presence. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to find a suitable location, purchase equipment, or build a website and establish an online presence. Taking care of these operational details early on will ensure a smooth start to your business. Now that you're up and running, it's important to focus on marketing and promoting your business. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes online and offline tactics to reach your target audience effectively. Utilize social media, content marketing, search engine optimization, and other digital marketing techniques to expand your reach and generate brand awareness. Additionally, consider networking with industry professionals, attending conferences and trade shows, and exploring partnerships or collaborations to further strengthen your marketing efforts. As your business grows, it's crucial to stay adaptable and open to change. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and you need to be willing to adjust your strategies and offerings accordingly. Stay updated on industry trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements that may impact your business. Embrace innovation and be willing to take calculated risks to seize new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. Another key aspect of growing your business is building a strong team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your vision and are passionate about your mission. Hire people who complement your strengths and bring unique skills and perspectives to the table. Taking the time to recruit, train, and retain top talent will be crucial to scaling your business and achieving long-term success. Never underestimate the power of continuous learning and personal development. Invest in your own growth by attending seminars, workshops, or online courses related to your industry or business management. Join industry organizations or professional networks to connect with like-minded entrepreneurs and stay abreast of the latest industry trends. Building your knowledge and skills will not only benefit your business, but also give you a competitive edge in the marketplace. Lastly, remember that patience and perseverance are key. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and dedication. There will be ups and downs along the way, but it's important to stay focused on your goals and have the resilience to overcome setbacks. Believe in your vision and keep pushing forward, even when faced with challenges. With the right mindset and a solid strategy, you can start and grow your own business into a thriving venture. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe to our channel for upcoming video.